Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the phone that's been making some serious waves in the mid-range market. This is the new Infinix HOT 60 Pro. It's super thin, it looks incredible, and on paper, it promises a whole lot. But does it actually deliver? Let's find out. The packaging already looks sleek, very modern. I've heard some great things about this phone, especially its design and display, so I'm really eager to see what's inside. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get this unboxed. So, the box itself is a clean, dark design with the HOT 60 Pro branding. All right, moment of truth. This feels so good in the hand, surprisingly light given the big battery it promises. I can definitely tell this is going to be a comfortable device to hold. Alright, let's see what other goodies Infinix has included in the box. This is always important for a great user experience. And tucked away here we have the SIM ejector tool and some quick start guides and warranty information. Standard stuff, but important to have. A clear case. This will give you immediate protection right out of the box, which is fantastic. Here we have the charger. Of course, we have the USB Type-C charging cable. This is a 45-watt fast charger, which is excellent to see in the box. All right, let's power this baby on for the first time. Let's remove the cover and the back sticker too. And this is what the back looks like. The camera design looks great. All right, let's set this up first. Alright, when you first power it on, you'll be greeted by the hello screen. First things first, select your language and region. The HOT 60 Pro has a handy triple slot that means you can use 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card simultaneously. The next step is where you decide if you want to copy your apps and data from your old phone. Put in your email and password. Now for security. Because the HOT 60 Pro features that premium under-display fingerprint sensor, we absolutely have to set that up. You can also set up Face Unlock. It's super fast. Once the basic setup is done, you're officially in the XOS 15.1 home screen. The Infinix HOT 60 Pro clocks in at just 6.6 millimeters thick. Let that sink in. 6.6 millimeters. To put that in perspective, that is as thinner as a standard SSD. This gives you a big display, a stunning 6.7 8-inch AMOLED screen. And talk about lightweight. The HOT 60 Pro weighs in at just 170 grams. A sleek look. The subtle curves around the edges make the phone feel even thinner in your palm. To unlock the true potential of this phone, you need to dive into the settings. The XOS 15.1 is packed with hidden features, performance tweaks, and custom functions that can make or break your experience. Powering this device is the MediaTek HELIO G200 chipset paired with 8 GB of RAM and either 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage. You can expand that RAM up to 16 GB with the extended RAM feature. We're looking at a 6.7 8-inch AMOLED screen with a 1.5K resolution and a buttery smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. Infinix OS is XOS 15, which is based on Android 15. Despite its incredibly slim profile, the Infinix HOT 60 Pro packs a massive 5160 mAh battery. The color style specifically controls how colors are displayed on the phone's AMOLED screen, and for your eyes, it has a 2160 Hz PWM dimming feature. For those of you who are sensitive to screen flickering at low brightness levels, this is a lifesaver, reducing eye strain and making late-night reading much more comfortable. Plus, it comes with a dedicated sleep aid mode to help you wind down. It dramatically reduces the amount of blue light emitted by your screen. Go ahead and tap on one 144 Hz. This activates the buttery smooth refresh rate that the AMOLED screen is famous for. You can always switch back to auto to save battery, but for the full experience, 144 Hz is the way to go. You can also customize your status bar. If you want to see network speed, just turn it on. The DTS sound feature on the Infinix HOT 60 Pro, it is designed to deliver a more premium, immersive sound experience. Infinix has brought a really cool, useful feature to the HOT 60 Pro called the dynamic bar, one of its most common uses. Charging status, and added even more. If you're anything like me, you love using your phone outdoors. Whether you're checking maps or taking photos on a sunny day, designed to make your phone's screen significantly more readable and vibrant when you're under direct sunlight or in very bright outdoor conditions, with a peak brightness of an astounding 4,500 nits. 4,500 nits is genuinely exceptional. We all know physical buttons are usually just for volume or power, but the Infinix HOT 60 Pro has introduced something genuinely revolutionary for its price segment. I'm talking about the One-Tap AI button. It's designed to be a programmable shortcut with dual functionality, meaning you can set two different actions to the same button. First is, long press usually launches Infinix's built-in AI assistant, Folax. Now the other brilliant part, the double press function. This is fully customizable for over 30 different applications and quick actions. You can make it do whatever you need most instantly. The HOT 60 Pro comes packed with a large capacity battery, 5,160 mAh, and speedy 45 watts fast charging to get you 50% charged in around 22 minutes. That's great for daily convenience. Infinix has designed this battery to retain over 80% health even after an impressive 1,800 charge cycles. Intelligent charging fixes this using AI charging protection. It learns your unique wake-up time, preserving its overall capacity and health for years. Bypass charging. You can game for hours at full performance without the added heat stress of active charging, keeping your phone cool, protecting the battery's health, and maintaining performance. HOT 60 Pro also supports 10 watts reverse wired charging. This means you can use your large 5,160 milliamp hour battery as a power bank to top up a friend's phone or a small accessory like wireless earbuds. The HOT 60 Pro has a great AOD or always-on display feature. Turn it on and then you can select your clock style, notification elements, and even add a custom design. This lets you check the time and notifications without waking the whole screen. Infinix HOT 60 Pro is a true mid-range performance beast. At the heart of the Infinix HOT 60 Pro is the MediaTek HELIO G200 chipset. This is a 6nm processor with an octa-core CPU, featuring 2 high-performance Cortex-A76 cores and 6 power-efficient Cortex-A55 cores. In our testing, the HOT 60 Pro delivers an Antutu score in the range of around 615,000. Now, what does that number actually mean for you? It means that for daily tasks like browsing social media, watching videos, or switching between apps, the phone feels incredibly snappy. The animations are fluid, and there's no noticeable lag. The phone's UFS 2.2 storage also helps. This is where the HOT 60 Pro truly shines for its price point. It's built for gaming. The Mali G57MC2 GPU handles graphics, and while it's not going to rival a flagship, it is more than capable. We've tested a few demanding titles. For a popular shooter like Call of Duty Mobile, the phone can comfortably handle max settings, giving you a stable 60 frames per second. The experience is consistent, and the 144 Hz display makes every movement feel incredibly responsive. For more demanding games like Genshin Impact, you'll need to turn down the graphics settings to low or medium to get a playable frame rate. But the fact that a phone in this price category can even run these titles is impressive. Also, I've been playing Mobile Legends and PUBG Mobile on the highest settings, and the gameplay has been consistently smooth with no major lags or frame drops. It's a solid performer for its price point. While it's not a flagship gaming phone, it definitely punches above its weight. If your priority is speed, smooth gaming, and no-lag multitasking without the flagship price tag, the HOT 60 Pro delivers incredible value. Let's talk about the HOT 60 Pro's durability. We'll cover the materials, the glass protection, and the official ratings that let you know exactly how protected you are against dust, spills, and drops. So, the Infinix HOT 60 Pro is more than just a beautiful, fast phone. It's built to handle the bumps and tumbles of daily life with confidence. The Corning Gorilla Glass 7i protects that stunning display. This isn't just any glass, it's engineered for durability. Compared to standard glass, Gorilla Glass 7i offers superior scratch resistance, keys, coins, and grit in your pocket. No worries, your phone is protected and drop protection. It significantly improves the screen's ability to survive accidental drops onto hard surfaces. The aerospace-grade aluminum frame provides structural rigidity and drop protection is blank. This robust frame, often paired with reinforced structural corners, is what gives the phone its incredible strength. Infinix claims this design is engineered for resilience, offering protection against accidental drops up to 1.5 meters, about 5 feet. The IP64 rating guards against dust and water splashes. This is splash resistance. It means the phone can survive an accidental spill, getting caught in the rain, or light splashes by the pool. It is not designed to be submerged in water. The phone is also completely protected against dust ingress. You don't have to worry about taking this phone to the beach or a dusty construction site. Infinix has clearly made durability a priority, ensuring that this sleek device can truly go the distance. Let's talk about the cameras. The HOT 60 Pro comes with a 50MP main camera on the back and a 13MP selfie camera up front. Now, you won't find an ultra-wide or a telephoto lens here, but for a phone in this category, the main sensor is pretty good. In good lighting, the 50MP main camera captures sharp, detailed photos with natural-looking colors. Portrait mode is surprisingly good, with clean edge detection and a nice background blur. The 13MP selfie camera is also decent, especially with the low-light selfies. Both the front and back cameras can record video at up to 2K resolution at 30 frames per second, or you can switch to 1080p at 60 frames per second for a smoother look. There's also a ultra steady feature which works pretty well to reduce shakiness. It's not the best camera phone on the market, but for daily social media posts and vlogging, it gets the job done. So, as you can see, the Infinix HOT 60 Pro is truly bringing accessible AI to the masses. From its dedicated AI button and the powerful Folax assistant to smart camera editing and fantastic productivity features, the AI here isn't a gimmick, it's genuinely useful, integrated, and designed to make your phone experience smarter, faster, and more creative. Now the tough question. If you were getting the Infinix HOT 60 Pro today, which of the 6 colors are you picking? Sleek black, titanium silver, coral tides, sapphire blue, jungle breath, or orange rose valley? Drop your favorite in the comments below. So, what's my final verdict on the Infinix HOT 60 Pro? For a starting price of around 6,700 pesos on Shopee, this phone is an absolute steal. It delivers a premium and super thin design, a gorgeous 144Hz AMOLED screen, solid performance for gaming and everyday tasks, and an excellent all-day battery with fast charging. If you're looking for a stylish, reliable, and powerful smartphone that doesn't break the bank, the Infinix HOT 60 Pro is an easy recommendation. It's truly a phone that feels special in the hand and delivers on its promises. And hey, if you're interested and want to get one for yourself, I've tagged the product right here in the video. Just click the product link you see on your screen to buy it directly there and have it delivered right away. I hope this in-depth review helps you decide on buying this phone. If you enjoyed this video and want to watch more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next one.